Hi students, this is Priyanshu and today I'm gonna talk about our Social Studies Telangana State Board Chapter 9 Globalization. Okay, so this is a very important chapter, and in this chapter we are going to see the most important and repeating question of Telangana State Board examinations. Okay, so this is a notes here and we directly go to the our questions. Okay, so let's see this one. So here it is. Okay, so this is a practice question. The first we will get the multiple choice question. I hope you will know about the multiple choice question, which is carry the 20 marks in your board examination. So this is not related to globalization. Okay, this is the first MCQ here, and this is MCQ like globalization is create new jobs and sectors. Okay, so these are the fifth question till, and then you will see here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and if it is clear, then let's see the ninth is very important because sometimes it's going to ask you in the 4 marks. Okay, so here we will see. Okay, so this is the 10th and 11th one is there. After that, here this is a given the you have to read this paragraph and you have to give the answer of this one. Okay, after reading this, which is correct option, we have to just give the answer of that. Okay, right, so let's come to these are the very short question answer. What is an MNC? Okay, this is important, and give 2 examples. Write the difference between foreign trades and foreign investment. Actually, this is a very interesting question. They will ask you, like, if you are a student of international relations and political students and economic, this is very important for economic. Okay, because I'm a student of politics and international relation of India and history and economic also and geography also. Overall, the social whatever topic is there, I'm a student of that, and mathematics. My subject is mathematics and social study. This is my subject generally. I'm totally offense with the physics and chemistry after the 12th class. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, and short question answer also you will see that NNC control panel. What is the impact of globalization of a small production? You know, small production actually, uh, every production have a 3 sectors: primary sector, third sector, and second sectors. Primary sectors means the first sector is totally depend on the natural things. Okay, I think it is going to be lecture. Okay, so let's see the our question only. So these are the easy types question. What is the impact of globalization on India? Okay, what are the factors that have enabled the globalization? Okay, so after that the next chapter is food security, and we will talk about food security also. But from today's video it is enough here only, and if I hope everything is clear to you. But after that, if you have any doubt, then just leave a comment and definitely I will reply that. And if you like this video, share with your friends also, and we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.